Okay, we're looking at differentiation with slightly harder ones this time. You cannot at the moment differentiate this, all right, with x's on the bottom of the fraction. X's as a denominator, all right. So what we have to do is convert them to power. So 1 times x. Now 1 over x is x to the power minus 1. Okay, plus 3 x to the power minus 2. Now you should know that from your indices stuff that you've done before. Okay, now once we've got it to that stage, we can differentiate nice and easily. So we get dy dx equals, now we've got minus 1, so it becomes minus x to the power, and don't forget the power goes down by 1, so minus 1 minus another 1 is minus 2. Now on the second bit we get minus, because it's minus 2 times plus 3, so minus 2 here times plus 3 here, right, so we're going to get minus 6x to the minus 3. Okay, now that you could write if you really wanted, but I wouldn't, as this 1 over x squared minus 6 over x cubed. Right. The only reason I wouldn't do that is because it's just another opportunity to make a mistake, and both solutions or both ways of writing it are equally valid. So it's really, that's an extra step. This here is an extra step you don't really need to do. Now, same sort of thing here. I'm going to convert the reciprocal ones to, there we go. Now when I do dy dx, okay, when I differentiate I get 6x, that's pretty straightforward. Now we've got minus 1 times minus 4, so that becomes plus 4x to the minus 2. Alright, now when x equals 2, right, dy dx equals, and might have to squash this up a little bit. Okay, we get 6 times 2 plus 4 times x, times 2, to the minus 2. Now 2 to the minus 2 is a quarter, so this bit here becomes 1. Alright, and we got 12 plus 1, so dy dx equals, which equals, and I've run out of room, 13. Alright, so just be a little bit careful. Obviously you probably have a calculator for this bit, right, so you can just put the numbers in. Right, and I ought to rub that out because it shouldn't be x. Where are we? There we go, so it should be 2. Oops, and I've done it in the wrong colour now. Oh, even worse. Dear oh dear. So we should have that. So that's 4 over 4 basically is this bit, and that I've underlined in green. Alright, so we've got 1 there, and just remember your negative indices. Again, you should have seen them before, but you must convert first.